welcome back to my channel. I've got a shopping haul for you. I've got two different shops here. I've got Morrisons and Asda. So I'm going to start here. We've got semi-skimmed milk there. I picked up this. I've heard really good things about this shampoo and conditioner, so I'm going to give that a go. They were on offer. I think they were £2.75, I think, instead of £5. Cream crackers. 2 packs of the extra mature cheese. They were, I think it was £4 for two, and there's 400 grams in each, so I thought that was a good buy. And then the best thing, we got some yellow sticker bits and picked up this hummus. That was £1.45, which is expensive anyway. I wouldn't have paid that for it, but it was down to 73p. But these were really good. They were all reduced down from £2.10 to 63p. So there's 7 of the mini fillets, the mini breast fillets, and there's 1 of the diced breast chicken. So I thought that was a flipping bargain, that lot. And I got the dog food in Morrisons. That was £8.50 for 24 cans, and I'm giving them a little bit of a change. They've stopped eating the one that I got them last time. They're not really, I think they just get fed up with it. So this one's got jelly and gravy, so picked those up for them. So Morrisons I spent £25.24. Okay, now moving on to Asda. Got a pack of the chicken with brown rice biscuits, a 9-pack of toilet rolls, and these are the coconut oil ones, some black bin liners, some Lenore fabric softener, 2 lots of the Dettol floor wipes, got 3-pack of the kitchen rolls, then got these for the dogs for their little treats. So we've got the beef and the chicken here for them, got some sugar, 6 cans of the Napolina peeled plum tomatoes, 2 packs of the baked beans, there's 4 in each pack. Our coffee that we always drink, guys, you know that we always buy this one, the Law one. Also picked up some of this, the Twinings Strong English breakfast tea bags. 2 packs of the Anchor butter, they were on offer. A pack of the Laughing Cow cheese triangles and the light. Sharing pork pie, some of the extra special baby potatoes, they look really nice. And then these were in the reduced section to 10p each, so you've got 6 crusty rolls, they've got 2 packs of those, and then a loaf of bread over here, so you've got 3 of those for 30p, which is a bargain. So I'll tell you what I spent in Asda. And so I spent £44.17 in Asda tonight. So I hope you've enjoyed this haul. I haven't done one for a while. I'll talk to you all in the next one. Bye.